Filing for bankruptcy allows a person to dismiss their debts and start over financially. The choice to declare bankruptcy carries the possibility of being forced to give up some or all of your assets that are not legally protected from creditors. When deciding whether to file for bankruptcy, the first question you should ask yourself is if you have any assets that you would like to keep. If it is determined that there are no such assets, you may file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which will allow you to keep your home and automobile in the majority of cases. What happens to your credit score if you file bankruptcy? A person or company can be declared legally bankrupt through a process known as bankruptcy. This can apply to both individuals and corporations. They would then be able to begin the process of re-establishing their credit score by formulating a payment strategy after making this declaration. Most people find the process of declaring bankruptcy to be tough and complex. But it is critical to understand how declaring bankruptcy can influence your credit score. A bankruptcy will remain on your credit report for 7 to 10 years, having a significant impact on your credit score. How long does it take to rebuild credit after filing for bankruptcy? It is widely accepted that declaring bankruptcy is one of the most effective ways to discharge one's financial commitments. Regrettably, this will also have a negative impact on your credit score. If you want to repair your credit after filing for bankruptcy, there are a few things you should consider. One of these is the amount of time required before your credit score may fully recovers from the effects of filing for bankruptcy. Declaring bankruptcy can have a number of negative implications, including the following. The debtor will be denied access to the great majority of credit possibilities. Due to their terrible credit history, they will not be able to obtain a new mortgage, auto loan, or even a credit card. In most cases, the debtor will be ineligible for government financial assistance, whether to further their education or acquire a home. Furthermore, there is a chance that they will lose their eligibility for welfare and food stamps. The debtor's wages may be garnished as a result of the bankruptcy that is now on their record, and they may have difficulties obtaining jobs in the future. Furthermore, the debtor may experience increasing job rivalry. If the debtor does not qualify for any of the exemptions allowed by bankruptcy law, they risk losing all of their personal property. The most important risk of declaring bankruptcy is that it will have a negative influence on your present credit score. As a result, obtaining loans or mortgages will become more difficult in the future. When you file for bankruptcy, there is a chance that you will not be able to discharge all of your debts. This, of course, is dependent on the sort of bankruptcy you apply for.